everybody, and welcome to Fort Walton Beach, Florida. I don't know what's going on with my hair today, so I apologize for that. I just woke up. But anyway, my family and I are down here for the week, and we are just hanging out on the beach. So with that said, I couldn't be working on the EG all week to get you a video. Couldn't go to the racetrack to race Caleb. So I figured I'd take time to give you guys a slightly different video. Some of you guys will remember that I had a red EK hatchback. Well, it hasn't been on the channel in a little while, and some people have started to ask questions what I'm gonna do with that car. I sold it very recently. I had a lot of fun with the EG, and I want to expand into something a little bit different. So instead of doing another Civic project, I decided to sell the EK and start looking for the next project. I'm not gonna tell you what that is just yet, but I'll be dropping hints on my Instagram. If you want to follow, you'll get the behind the scenes on there. Anyway, as soon as I get back to Chicago from Florida, I'm going to really start my search for the next project car. But until then, I just want to give you guys this montage of all the better moments that I've had with the EK over the short time that I owned it. And that way, some of you guys that don't even know what I'm talking about can kind of get a recap. If you guys want to check out those whole videos, I'll leave the EK playlist down below in the description. Otherwise, that's really all I got. So enjoy this montage. Dude, Kearney, hold on. I gotta show the boys. And looks like I'm gonna go I'm gonna try to impulse buy it like right now.
Let's take my car.
This is a year 2000 Honda Civic DX hatchback with a D16 motor and an automatic transmission, and it's like 100% stock. So here she is. This is the new daily. What do you guys think about this? Whoa! yeah, this is scary, huh? Wow! It was Friday the 21st. There was a man who went in, his name was Dave. Dave went into Starbucks. It was time to turn to Rachel Ray. Rachel Ray is my 20-year-old Honda Civic that I bought for under $2,000. Once the exhaust was back on the car, it was time to play video games and stay up all night so that I could sleep from 11 in the morning until 8 p.m. and we could leave for Florida and drive through the night. But today I finally have a project that I'm like really excited about. We're finally gonna be lowering the red EK. Oh. The rear is still so high. That's good. That's looking good. Damn, look at her. Oh, Boosted John. What wheels are those? Where did you get those wheels? Do these look familiar, boys? Yes, I am stealing the EG's wheels. That's pretty cool. I like the pattern. It's like pretty aggressive looking. It's just like a high performance all season. It's nothing expensive. It's nothing crazy. Now this isn't the dumbest thing I've ever done on this channel, but it sure as hell ain't the smartest. Don't try this at home. Yeah, it's pretty dumb. I think that should be good. So as you watch this video, just know that I'm a complete noob. I'm kind of just getting into this, to be honest, but I've recently created some pretty cool photos. Feel free to check out my Instagram if you'd like to see them. They'll all be on there. It'll be @boosted_John. So now that you found your location, I chose this building. I've never been here before. I was just driving around. I saw a blue brick wall. Thought that looked pretty cool. So I pulled up in this parking lot, parked in front of the blue brick wall, and I'm gonna hop out and start figuring out how I want to set my camera settings. I had to do it. I'm having a lot of fun making those other kinds of videos, but today is a very, very special video. We hit 10,000 subscribers today, boys. 10,000. Wow. That's the first subscriber milestone that I've hit where I'm like, wow, that's actually a big number. And like, relatively speaking, there are much bigger YouTube channels, but
10,000. I feel like I've really accomplished something, and thank you guys so much for helping me do it. But today, we are shifting our focus from the EG to the EK. Hello! I went ahead and ordered some Scar Audio 6x9s, and then I also got some 6.5s for the front doors. Just a window to stay hydrated. Oh my gosh. Hey, whoa, whoa! Dude, you're blocking my shot! I'll let him. Alright, is there something I'm missing here? No. Wow, that actually bumped too. I wasn't even turning it up that loud, I don't think. Cash on my neck, on my arm. Cranny.
Oh no.
I test fitted the lip.
Oh, you already did it?
I just like put it on. It looks cool. Here's the grill.
Oh, dang. That's nice.
Decent, right?
Yeah.
Okay, decent. And here's the lip.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah.
All right, are we ready?
Use as much slack as I can.
Okay, done.
Sweet. All right, now all we have to do is I have these self-tapping screws in my pocket. You gotta just push pretty hard. Slow. A little more. Stop. It's done.
That was quick.
Wasn't that easy?
It's gonna be an hour.
Wasn't that easy?
It was like 10 minutes.
Dude, bro, you gotta close it kind of hard. Nope. Well, there it is. There it is. Type R front end. I don't know. What do you think? I sanded down the front grille and I matte clear coated it. But I think that looks a lot better. Dude, like that's not bad right there. I gotta tell you that, that's not bad.
No, I don't want to do it. Oh. I really don't like, I didn't think this through until it's on your hand. Don't get it in my hair, that's all I'm asking. No. I hate this, go.
Watch, you're gonna
Don't hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
No.
Stop. Stop moving. Here we go.
Yes, okay, watch it. Okay. Okay.
I think what it ultimately comes down to is that I just love my EG so much more than my EK, and it's time to move on to something better, boys. So that'll be coming really soon, like as soon as I possibly can. I'll have that car and start making videos on it. I just want to find the right one, and that is it for this video. I'm gonna go back to hanging out on the beach, and as I always say, boys, remember, plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.